Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video, we are going to continue with window menu. Uh, and I'm going to show you what is next workspace or previous workspace. Workspace is the this workspace at the top. Layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, scripting, geometry node, and you can add your new workspace. For example, to the animation. You can add this one. And if you go to window, click next workspace, it is going to come here. Or you can click, press Control and page up. You can see it come to previous workspace. Page up, page down. And now, sorry, I can click, you can see here it, Control and page down, go to modeling, go to sculpting, editing, texture, paint, shading, animation, rendering, compositing, geometry node, scripting, to the animation. And you can click this one. What is this shortcut? You can use this shortcut for making something very easily. Go to Control page up, page down, and you can change your workspace very easily. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.